You are trying to pour an entire ocean into a cracked cup. You visualize money, you visualize love, but in reality, it passes right through you like a ghost. The problem isn't your desire. The problem isn't the universe. The problem is your kli, your vessel. Kabbalah teaches that light is infinite, but it can only enter a vessel that is strong enough to hold it. See, the Zohar explains a glitch in human nature. We are born with a desire to receive, me, me, me. But receiving for yourself creates a short circuit. It burns the vessel. Think about a light bulb. If you pump too much electricity into it, it shatters. That's why you don't win the lottery. That's why the relationship doesn't last. You are asking for high voltage energy, but your wiring is not grounded. So how do you fix the kli? You change the frequency. You switch from desire to receive to desire to bestow. Paradoxically, when you want the money in order to do good with it, you become a superconductor. The Zohar calls this hashpa'ah, influence. Don't just ask for abundance, ask for the capacity to handle abundance. Build the vessel first, and the light will have no choice but to fill it. It's physics, spiritual physics. I've compiled the ancient codes for building this vessel. They are called the 72 names. It's not magic, it's technology for the soul. If you're ready to stop leaking energy and start holding it, download the guide below.